Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Asma's Kitchen. Today I have a really delicious recipe to share with you. That is palak paneer, maybe called green paneer in some restaurants in the United States and Canada. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Right? Let's get started with the recipe of palak paneer. Spinach 1 kg clean and diced paneer made up of 2 liter milk at home. If you want to know the recipe of paneer, click on the I button show up on the screen. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons, 7 green chilies cut into halves, 2 onions chopped, garlic 1 teaspoon crushed, salt almost 1 tablespoon, oil 3/4 cup, water as required, and milk 1 cup. Now add spinach in a pan. Then add some water, almost half cup, and let it cook until water dries on high flame. After 5 minutes, spinach is boiling. Again, I am gonna cover its lid and let it cook completely until its water dries. Now, spinach is completely tender in its own water and water is completely dry. I am taking out into a platter so that it becomes required cool because I have to blend it. Meanwhile, now make cubes of paneer. It is done. Cubes are ready. Now in a pot, I'm gonna add half cup of oil and let it warm. When oil becomes warm, add diced paneer and stir fry it. After frying them, take them out into a dish and keep it aside and add rest of the oil. And after adding oil, add garlic 1 teaspoon. It is crushed garlic, and saute it. Then add 2 onions chopped. Stir fry it. Let it become pink. Cover its lid and let it become quite tender. Meanwhile, in a blender, I am adding cooked spinach. It is become required cool. And add almost 1 cup of milk and cover its lid and blend it well. Look, it's done. Now I am going to add all blended spinach into these tender onions and stir fry it. Now add salt, red chili powder, stir it well. After stir frying it, add fried paneer cubes, then again stir fry it. Now add green chilies and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, palak paneer is absolutely ready to dish out. Now I am dishing it out. That's it. I hope you enjoyed recipe of palak paneer. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like it. Leave comment below. Share it with your family and friends. Subscribe Asma's Kitchen. Don't forget to click on bell icon. I shall see you on Friday with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching.